Harnessing the sun's power for your home doesn't just slash your energy bills, it's a step towards self-sufficiency. When installing solar panels, consider the allure of going off-grid. This isn't just about energy independence, it's about resilience. With an off-grid system, blackouts won't darken your doorstep, and your carbon footprint shrinks. Remember, not all solar setups disconnect from the grid. Some store surplus power there. But if you're aiming for a true off-grid experience, prepare to invest in a backup battery to capture that extra sunny day surplus. Before you bask in the glow of renewable energy, take a moment to look up. Trees, while majestic, can cast a shadow on your solar aspirations. Their branches not only block sunlight, but can also tumble onto your panels, compromising their efficiency. If you're planting your panels near these natural giants, keep the shears handy. Regular trimming is essential to ensure your solar panels have an unobstructed view of the sky. Solar panels are not a set-and-forget solution. To keep them in peak condition, you'll need to plan for maintenance. This includes inspections, repairs, and cleaning. Engage with your installer about the aftercare they offer. Knowing the extent of their services helps you craft a maintenance routine that keeps your panels pristine and productive. With these insights, you're now equipped to embark on your solar journey with confidence.